Welcome to Solved Gadgets. Have you done your task so we may unveil the fantastic off-road vehicles that you should see? We are prepared to provide the cool gadgets collection as usual. Let's watch the video. The production team for Apocalypse set a pretty lofty objective for themselves roughly 15 years ago. The development of a six-wheeled vehicle that would last the company's heritage. The outcome is displayed on your devices. This is among the most stunning vehicles you can purchase. For the hefty price tag of $220,000, you can rev up your engine with a monstrous 707 horsepower and encase yourself in an aluminum roll cage for ultimate protection. Coat your ride in a tough Kevlar shield and bask in the glorious sense of exclusivity that comes with owning a truly top-of-the-line machine. This rare gem of a creation has been limited to a production run of a mere 140 copies, ensuring that only a select few will ever have the privilege of owning one. The recording of the extraordinary vehicle depicted in this footage took place in the year 2017 during its participation in the revered Easter Jeep Safari event. The aforementioned model was fabricated by the American workshop Black Ops, and it garners our utmost admiration, primarily for its sheer force and potency. The powertrain of this vehicle generates an impressive output of 630 horsepower and is capable of delivering a maximum thrust of 650 pound-feet. Given the enormity of this vehicle, it is a challenging feat to navigate any terrain without encountering occasional mechanical failures. Hence, the designers had to strengthen the structure of the vehicle. Simply speaking, the automobile features a 40-spleen Dana 80 front axles and a Dana 70 rear axles. The vehicle is exceptionally sturdy, rugged, and dependable to the point that the driver may confidently mash the throttle pedal. Vehicles that could really move across the water often cannot outpace a sailboat in speed. On the other hand, the following vehicle on the list is an exception. This vehicle offers a remarkably uncommon fusion of performance, efficiency, and speed. Switching to water mode takes only a few seconds. A speed of over 30 miles per hour may thus be reached with ease, and it can even navigate tiny waves. The company provides two seating options for 3 or 6 passengers, and the vehicle is 23 feet long. The amphibious vehicle is perfect for special services and could even be employed for rescue operations in the emergency scenarios. Yet, hardly anything surpasses this beast in terms of rarity, given that there is just one such tracked off-road vehicle throughout the globe. This was constructed and developed in Russia by a small group of outstanding engineers. The major characteristics are its simplicity, lightness, and mobility. The vehicle navigates woodland roads and trails with assurance and effortlessly overcomes snow. Studies have revealed that the ATV continues to move even in 20 inches of snow. Its peak speed is limited to 9 miles per hour. Nevertheless, the developers claim that the technological parameters were not intentionally raised because the vehicle was initially designed for children exclusively. DRP, a Canadian corporation, is the world leader in buggy manufacture. However, in 2022, they intended to reinvent the business. The latest design can readily handle even the most difficult off-road situations and has a variety of distinguishing characteristics. First and foremost, draw notice to the turbocharged Rodax Ace engine, which is unrivaled among engines installed in today's production buckets, achieving an astonishing 200 horsepower performance. The second most significant innovation is the industry's first completely autonomous suspension. It lets you to overcome virtually any terrain since it automatically changes its rebound and compression. To construct it, the experts had to collaborate with Fox, the world leader in this industry. The vehicle's starting price is $20,000. No matter how outrageous the challenge, this Canadian-built tracked off-road vehicle machine is up for the task and capable of meeting it. The 10 tons of payload capacity of this flexible design makes it a competent, multi-purpose vehicle. There is space for 12 persons in the following ATV. Also, because of its modular construction, the back end may be swiftly and simply changed if necessary. The transportation of large, heavy equipment is therefore made easier as a result. Overall, the vehicle is perfect for use as a reserve while traversing challenging terrain. With its cutting-edge diesel-electric drive system, a patented suspension that ensures a smooth ride in even the most rugged terrains, and the low ground pressure feature that allows it to conquer soft and swampy grounds, this vehicle is a top contender for off-road exploration, surpassing obstacles such as swamps and shallow water with ease. It can climb a 35-degree slope with a full load, even though its top speed is only 20 miles per hour, and it has the ability to fold 57 inches underground. The automobile that is now on your screen was purchased through an auction for $2.5 million in year 2021. It's truly the case that this was the inaugural version in the collection. But nevertheless, the Hummer EV is absolutely worthwhile for the price. First and foremost, it was developed on the Ultima platform and was the initial electric SUV. Moreover, it has a diagonal movement capability. This may be accomplished thanks to the all-wheel drive system's crab walk option, which enables both the front and back wheels to turn in the same direction at the same angle. It is additionally essential to pay attention to the adaptable air ride suspension. The mechanism enables you to boost suspension height by 6 inches in unexpected scenarios. Furthermore, the automobile can reach 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds thanks to its 1,000 horsepower engine performance. The Ford Bronco, which was debuted a few years ago, is likely known to anybody with even the tiniest interest in SUVs. It was just debuted at the end of January, but the Raptor is a fresh and enhanced version. The two biggest upgrades are the 37-inch tires and the 3-liter dual turbocharged V6 engine. Also, compared to its predecessor, the model acquired a more powerful suspension, enabling it to more easily navigate leaps and sand mounds. The SUV's towing capability allows it to haul 4,500 pounds. Missed all of the smart driver support features would require a whole film, which would be lengthy. The cost is anticipated to be $7,000 according to early estimates. The following automobile is capable of effortlessly navigating swamps, tough terrain, and even heavy snow. The above swamp buggy, which has been constructed in Russia, was launched as an excursion vehicle. Due to the extremely low-pressure tires, centralized inflation system, and axle lock being part of the standard program, it is practically impossible to get stuck with this vehicle even in the middle of nowhere. If the client so chooses, the spring suspension can be changed for an air suspension. The powertrain has the potential to rev as high as 2,000 revolutions per minute and can produce 40 or 70 horsepower. The insulated cabin and an inbuilt liquid heater make it possible for the interior of the automobile to be pleasant, even in below freezing weather outdoors. 6 seats are provided in this design version, which has enough for up to 8 travelers.